Hi, students. A hearty welcome for this program. Take your textbook. This is 8th Standard English, Unit 2, titled My Hobby Reading. This is a poem written by Arunachalam Chandrasekharan. We have so many hobbies. My hobby is reading and watching cricket. My favorite personality in Indian cricket is Sachin Tendulkar. Who is your favorite cricketer? What is your hobby? Are you interested in reading books? Or watching television permanently? Or playing video games? There are so many hobbies. But for our purpose, we are going to restrict, to inculcate, or to inspire you the art of reading. That is why Francis Bacon said, reading makes a man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. Students, now let us go to the actual reading practice of the poem. I will go stanza by stanza. Now all of you take your book. Students, all of you take page number 53, class 8, poem, unit 2, my hobby reading. My hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. It takes me to places near and far. It keeps my rational doors ajar. It teaches me to cackle and cry without wings. It lets me fly. I wish if all the children could read in constructing a vigorous society, then we shall succeed. Written by Arunachalam Chandrasekharan. Guys, there should be use and utility in everything that we do. We want to reap benefit. If you do any work, you want to see what is the use of it. If you buy a mobile, what is the use of it? What is the storage? Everything you calculate, you ask so many questions. So too, what are the benefits of reading? This poet, Arunachalam, particularly emphasizes on the 4 uses of reading. The first one is thought breeding. What is thought breeding? When you read a lot, your thinking capacity enlarges, envisages, and you are able to improve. You are able to think better, for which the first basic step, the platform, is reading. It is one of the components of learning English. There are 4 components, namely listening, reading, writing, and speaking. We call it as LS or W skills. Therefore, reading also plays an important role for building up your English language. The second use is opens rational doors. What is rational? It is nothing other than reasoning. When you read a passage, you are able to develop the thought pattern in a systematic way. That is only called rational, thinking, rationale. It widens your thinking capacity. So the third use of reading is fly without wings. For instance, you are watching a film. When the hero fights, then automatically you think as if you are fighting. What is taking place there? It is the skill of imagination. When you read, you go along with the person who has written. So your thought also goes. You can fly to the place where the reading is prescribed. There is no need of any kind of visit to a place. When you are reading about Delhi, visit to Delhi, if you read, you can fly there by the power of imagination. That is the third use, Finally, this poem, the poet emphasizes on constructing society. When you read quality books, you become a civilized person. When you are civilized, you are also part of the society. You are infecting the other person to become a civilized person. So, therefore, a fantastic society is constructed, developed just by the art of reading. Shall we try? Shall we try to recapitulate in a brief way, in a nutshell? Thought breeding, opening of rational doors, flying without wings, and constructing society are the four advantages of reading. Now, we will be moving on to the poetic devices in the poem. Students, now we are going to see the poetic devices. What are poetic devices? Poetic devices such as alliteration, rhyming words, rhyme scheme, anaphora, imagery, epithet. There are so many poetic devices. But in this poem, we are going to focus upon only rhyming words. Rhyming words are nothing other than having the same sound. Two words or more than two words having the same sound towards the ending of the line of the poem. Such words are called rhyming words. Here we see reading goes with breeding. Cry, fly. Read, succeed. For, adore. Therefore, make it and be precise. Decide today that reading can take you to greater heights. Make it as your own decision. Don't take it as a force. வாசிப்பதையே நீ நேசி, அதையே நீ சுவாசி. வாழ்க்கையில் நீ வெற்றி பெறலாம். வாசிப்பதையே நீ நேசி, வாசிப்பதையே நீ சுவாசி. வாழ்க்கையில் நீ வெற்றி பெற வேண்டும் என்றால். Dear students, now let's see the questions and answers. Comprehension questions. The first one is, what is the hobby of the poet? We have clearly explained to you in the poem, reading is the hobby of the poet. Question number 2, what does ajar mean? Ajar means to open something slightly. கொஞ்சமா திறக்கிறது. அதான் ajar. That's all. Third question, can the poet fly without wings? While teaching the poem, I said you can go to the spot when you read through imagination. That is the answer. Yes, the poet can fly without wings by the art of reading. வாசிக்கிறதுனால ஒரு இடத்துக்கு கற்பனையால் செல்ல முடியும் என்பதுதான் இதனுடைய பதில். Now let's move on to the fourth question. What can children do to society if they read? சமுதாயத்துக்கு என்ன பிரயோஜனம் ரீடிங்கால அப்படின்னு கேள்வி. Very easy. Children can construct the society by reading. சமுதாயத்தை கட்டி காக்க முடியும் உன்னுடைய வாசிப்பு பயிற்சியினால். நன்றாக வாசிப்பதனால சமுதாயத்தை கட்டி காக்க முடியும் என்று இந்த கவிஞர் சொல்கிறார். The fifth one, what is the theme of the poem? இவ்வளோ நேரம் சொல்லிட்டு இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டினாக கேட்டிருக்கணும் அவங்க. வாட் இஸ் த தீம் ஆஃப் த போயம் கடைசியில் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. பரவாயில்ல. ரீடிங் இஸ் த தீம் ஆஃப் த போயம். டைட்டிலும் அதான், தீமும் அதான். Try to write down all these questions and answers in your notebooks and submit to your respective class teachers. Headmaster at any time, he can check your WhatsApp videos. So post all these questions and answers, learn them thoroughly. Dear students, let me wind up with this concept. The poem reading and its uses are simple. First of all, it helps you for thought breeding. Secondly, it opens rational doors. திங்கிங் கெப்பாசிட்டியை உனக்கு வளர்க்குது. தேர்ட்லி, யூ கேன் ஃப்ளை விதவுட் விங்ஸ். எந்த இடத்துக்கும் நீ சிறகில்லாமல் போக முடியும். கற்பனையால் நீ போக முடியும். டுவர்ட்ஸ் தி எண்ட், விச் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட், இட் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் யூ டு கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் த சொசைட்டி. சமுதாயத்தை கட்டி காப்பதற்கு இந்த ரீடிங் ஸ்கில் உனக்கு மிகவும் உதவுகிறது. I hope you have understood. Try to read, reread until you understand. Thank you very much.